Hi there, welcome to our drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a baby Arctic fox. So here you can see that I'm using my pencil to draw the Arctic fox. I'm starting with its tiny hair and two big ears. Its ear is hairy. The structure of its face is done. Pretty clear. Now let's draw its eyes. Eyes are looking big and bold. I'm using my black pen to do the outline. Here's its nose. Now it's looking like a fox. I'm using cyan pen inside its eyes and a little bit of yellow. Now again I'm using my black pen. Again I'm using my pencil. I'm blending the color using my fingertip. Its cheeks should be a little darker. I'm cleaning this area a bit because this section is not looking that much good. Okay, now it's looking cute. Now let's draw its body parts. Here's its hands. this is its tiny legs. Wow! Now let's draw its long tail. Once again, I'm blending the color with my fingertip. Thank you so much for watching.